much to offer on a house? Have you ever found a house you wanted to buy and wondered, how much should I really offer for this? If you're a first-time home buyer, this question can be particularly daunting. Today, we'll go over the key considerations to help you submit a fair offer on a house. First, understand the market. Are you in a seller's market or a buyer's market? In a seller's market, homes are scarce, demand is high, and you might need to pay more than the listing price to outbid the competition. If you're in a buyer's market, where there are plenty of homes and few buyers, you could make an offer that's less than the listing price. Knowing the market is a crucial first step toward deciding your starting offer. Next, find out how long the home has been for sale. A new listing could still fetch its asking price or more, especially in a competitive market. But if the house has been on the market for a while or the price has been reduced, it may present an opportunity to negotiate a lower price. This is valuable information as it suggests that the seller is flexible and possibly eager to sell. The most critical aspect is understanding what similar properties in the neighborhood have recently sold for, known as comparable sales or comps. This isn't about the list price. You want to look at actual sales prices that reflect the real market value. If similar homes are selling for less than the asking price of the home that you like, you might consider making an offer in that range. Remember to adjust your offer based on the condition of the home and market conditions. Navigating these considerations can be difficult, especially for first-time home buyers. That is why I recommend working with a real estate agent who can provide insight and guidance tailored to your situation. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best on your home buying journey.